Welcome, sir. Today I will teach you how to get a Melbet account while in Ethiopia. If you don't have the Melbet application yet, download it by typing Melbet Ethiopia in Google and then clicking download. After that, you have to register a new account using the promo code for the company. The promo code is ETSM33 in capital letters, as I do. You also have to fill out your profile by linking your number and email to your Melbet account. If you do that, you will get a 100% save account. Click registration. Choose in one click. Then these four options appeared. The first place is Ethiopia. Option 2 is currency. Please choose your currency, Ethiopia birr. Option 3, use promo code company and write it like I write it. Please note that the font should be in capital letters. Option 4, use the bonus. It's up to you. If you bet on sports, choose sports. If you play casino and games, choose casino. After, click register. The code above is always displayed here below. After, your ID and password get screenshot after save. Then fill in all the information and link your account to your email address where you live. This will give you a 100% secure Melbet account and you will not see any errors. If you do it the way I do, you can deposit the minimum amount of money that can be deposited into Melbet, and you can also withdraw the minimum amount from the gambling application.